The largest animal that ever existed on Earth. The blue whale Balanoptera musculus is the largest animal that has ever existed on Earth. Blue whales can grow to more than 33 meters or about 100 feet and weigh more than 130,000 kilograms. The blue whale is twice as long as the T-Rex dinosaur. Blue whales can be found in all seas, except the Arctic oceans. The blue whale's call is the loudest on Earth. Not only is the body large, but the sound produced by the blue whale is the loudest of all the animals on Earth. Blue whales can emit sounds of up to 188 decibels, which is louder than a jet engine. The blue whale has excellent hearing. Although it can only communicate with very low frequency sounds, the blue whale can hear the sounds of other whales, some 1,600 kilometers away. Great swimmer and diver. The blue whale is one of the marine mammals that is good at swimming. It can swim at a speed of 8 kilometers per hour and can reach a top speed of up to 50 kilometers per hour. In addition, blue whales can also dive very well. He is able to dive up to 500 meters in search of krill to be his snack. The blue whale likes to eat krill. This marine mammal is very fond of krill. Krill itself is a small animal that looks like shrimp. In a day, these whales can consume up to 40 million or about 4 krill every day. Live in the deep ocean. gray marine mammal lives in the deep ocean. It is easier to find than in coastal and bay waters. No one thought that this one marine mammal turned out to have a long life. They can live up to hundreds of years. Endangered by overhunting in the 1900s,